Hello, my name is Mr. J and welcome to Mentari World of Science. Join me today for a moment of growing, learning, and igniting your curiosity in the field of science. In this activity, we will explore how gravity and air resistance work together to create a graceful, twirling miniature helicopter. For our big question, how does gravity and air resistance work together in the movement of this paper helicopter? For our materials, we're going to be using, of course, the paper helicopter template, a pair of scissors, some paper clips, coloring materials. For the next part, Mr. J will be explaining to you the experiment procedure. So your students will make their own paper helicopter based on the template given. They will color, design, and decorate their own paper helicopter. They're gonna label their paper helicopter with paper helicopter A and paper helicopter B. Paper helicopter A has a wingspan or length of 4.5 centimeters. You can see here. And paper helicopter B has a wingspan or fold until 9 centimeters. Please ensure that both paper helicopters have the same decoration to keep it a fair test. For the next part, we will go on to an elevated space. Of course, there should be an adult supervision if you are doing this with your students. And I will have my students Dila and Alma to do the demonstration of the activity. Go to an elevated place. There should always be an adult supervision. Make sure that your arms are wide open with the same height. Drop each paper helicopter by releasing it. We are now on the concluding part. Mr. J will discuss the science behind the experiment. As you let go of the paper helicopter, gravity pulls it towards the ground, and air resistance pushes the helicopter as it falls. The air pushing the wings of the helicopter makes it spin and twirl gracefully. The shorter wing will reach the ground faster, while the longer wing will have more time to reach the ground. Now, let's go further. Let's have an extension. What do you think would happen if we changed a variable in this paper helicopter? Like different type of paper, more or less paper clips, or different size of the wing. Do it at home. Once again, this is Mr. J from Mentari World of Science, igniting your curiosity. Thank you.